Smart Intersections is one of the modules available within DeepInsights. Users can drill down to see a specific intersection where they can look at things like crosswalk data to see how many pedestrians have crossed by over the last period of time. They can then go in and look at traffic flows to see how many cars have gone through a specific lane in an intersection, and then they can see the license plates which have been captured. There's also quick access to each camera in the intersection. From the camera view, you can scroll on the timeline to see past events. If a speaker is available at the intersection, you have the option to play text-to-speech, send an alert sound, or actually connect the speaker to your phone. DeepInsights provides an easy search function for all license plates that have gone through any intersection within your city or county. You have the ability to search by make, model, license plate, color, time, location. You can then see a quick thumbnail of the license plate and the vehicle, and you also have the option to download any of the data to an Excel spreadsheet. DeepInsights also provides a dispatch view that will allow you to see a live feed of all plates at any intersection within your county or city. If a flagged license plate goes through any intersection, you'll get an alert on screen showing you the location and time of that vehicle. DeepInsights makes it easy to manage your watch lists. You can upload a file of plates to watch, or you can easily manually add and update plates to the lists.